I'm Ashley. I write Wannabe Wisdoms, Diaries of a Fake Guru. I started writing on Substack 2 years ago with 0 subscribers and one goal: to build a consistent practice. My practice started on a monthly schedule, and eventually it became bi-monthly, and then it became weekly. 60 essays later, and after a couple of unexpectedly viral notes, the audience has grown to about 2.5 thousand readers. But it didn't happen quickly. I wrote into the silence for a long time, working through imposter syndrome, procrastination, self doubt, and all the familiar resistance that shows up the moment when you decide to take yourself seriously. It's important to find a writing and posting rhythm that actually works for you, whether that's weekly, monthly, or bi monthly, because consistency matters more than frequency. There is no hustle required here. Writing is a long game. Finding your rhythm means choosing a pace that fits with your life and gives you space to reconnect with the deeper reasons you write, beyond fame and virality. Things like the lifelong process of coming into your voice and discovering your purpose, your why, and deepening your relationship with the subjects you care about. As you get to know me, you'll see I'm a little obsessed with helping people discover their why. The deeper reason you write, it's the thing that keeps us showing up when we feel like quitting. This kind of clarity helps you build a sustainable long-term practice here on Substack. And if you want extra support, there's 2 ways to go deeper with me. Become a paid subscriber. I give you guides, prompts, exclusive essays. Paid subscribers can reach out to me for support, and I will always help you troubleshoot whatever you're going through. There's also one-on-one coaching if you're looking for more personalized support. This is for people who want help clarifying direction, working through blocks, or getting thoughtful feedback on their writing, not just strategy. I have a comprehensive system for helping people get clear on their why. I am so glad you're here, and thank you for spending this time with me, evolving loudly with love and rebellion. Ashley.